Welcome everyone. Today I want to talk about how to manage your money like wealthy people. The wealthy people allocate their money precisely and live below their means. The wealthy people understand financial freedom is more important than keeping up with Joneses and showing off your expensive house, car, clothes, and stuff. Any stuff. Typically, people who show off flashy stuff doesn't have money in their bank accounts. They live paycheck to paycheck and has like huge debt on their credit card or has like huge loans. So the first tip is you have to build a budget for yourself and your family and track all your expenses and spending on all essential living costs. For example, if you rent, mortgage if you own a house, your food, your clothing, if you have a car, your car payment, your car insurance, anything related to your car expenses. If you don't own a car, you take a public transit, you need to know how much public transit cost you have every month, your phone bill, your cable bill, anything important that to leave. If you have any insurance, whether it's your health insurance, car insurance, anything essential, you need to know how much you and your family spend on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, annually. The wealthy people, they know their number. They budget weekly, monthly, even they know how much they need to spend on their living cost on an annual basis. They track their expenses and they make time to make a plan for it. So you need to do the same thing. You need to know how much money you need every month on a living cost. You need to budget and make time to plan it ahead so you know how much money you need every month on your living cost. Tip number 2, pay off your credit card debt, your loan. Don't use your credit card or loan money buying using expensive clothes, phone, shoes, or expensive car on a loan to show off your friends or family or your neighbor if you actually don't have that money in your bank account. The wealthy people doesn't use credit card or loans on major purchases. Typically they pay cash on their major purchases. Even if they use credit card, they will pay off the full balance right away. Paying off your credit card, loan, any debt are one of the best benefit you will see right away. If you have multiple credit card and loans, pay off the highest interest rate on your loan or a card. The first you want to take care of that one. So for example, if you have a loan or card has 18% interest and your other one has 12% interest rate, pay off your 18% interest rate loan first or the credit card first. You'll see the benefit of paying off your loan. You'll always have that extra money to save or invest. Tip number 3, you have to create an emergency fund. The wealthy people have a minimum 6 months to 12 months emergency fund worth of living cost. The wealthy people put aside money for any emergency situation in a separate emergency savings account. That means they have access to that money anytime there is any emergency situation comes in, so they can get that money and take care of the emergency situation. You have to do the same thing. You never know, your car may break down, you may have water damage in your house, there might be a natural disaster, or any family member or anyone might have a health issue. So you need to save at least 6 months to 12 months emergency fund money in your savings account. That would be a great protection if any emergency situation comes in. Please keep in mind, guys, emergency means emergency. You cannot use this money to take a vacation or buying a new car or new laptop. You are just going to use this money to any emergency situation. Once you create your emergency fund, forget about it. If you want, you can just have in a separate bank so you don't see it. Once it's out of sight, out of mind. So it's absolutely just for your emergency situation. If you like our videos, please subscribe hit the like button. It really helps the channel to create more content about this, and we really appreciate that. So the tip number 4 is you have to pay yourself and save money, invest for your retirement regularly. The wealthy people pay themselves first. As soon as they receive any income check in their bank account, the wealthy people will save and invest for their retirement, and they have long-term financial goal. So they pay certain percentage of their total income every month, year over year, and they invest in stock market, in bonds, they buy rental real estate property, they buy business. So you need to do the same. You have to pay yourself first, and you have to invest. You need to pay yourself automatically every month certain amount of money that works for your situation every month. You have to save and invest for your financial freedom. We're not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial planner. You have to talk to your financial advisor, your financial planner, and you need to make sure how much you need to save every month. Typically, if you're just starting, try to make a goal, try to pay yourself minimum 15 to 20% of your income, and eventually try to increase and save more and invest every month. Wealthy people, they save 50%, 60%. Some people, that 1% people, save about over 90% of their total income for their financial goal, for their retirement. They save and they invest every single month, year over year. You need to do the same thing. You have to speak with your financial advisor, your financial planner, and try to have a long-term financial goal and find your financial freedom as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like our video and content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please comment below what kind of content you want to see in the future, and thank you for watching again. Stay safe and take care.